Hello guys, and welcome back to Essential Kitchen. This is your favorite kitchen. I am Chef Euphemia. Wow. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make OHA soup. Delicious OHA soup. Please stay tuned.
Finally,
Thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, I say welcome and thank you. Alright, so welcome back to Essential Kitchen. We are entering the second phase. I finished making the salad soup. This is my salad soup. Come closer. This is my salad soup. I finished making the salad soup. So I'm going to make OHA soup now. As a matter of fact, I want to make 3 pots of soup today. So I finished the salad. I'm making OHA now. Then after this, I'll make afan soup. So in here, I have my ingredients for OHA soup. This is OHA leaf. This is our leaf. This is achara. If you are from Imo State or Abia State, you will understand what this means. It's our native stuff. So this is smoked fish or massated meat. Periwinkle. This is cocoyam. That is ede. We call it ede. This is cocoyam. My pepper, Cameroon pepper. This is crayfish and ogiri. Now this is my stockfish and my red oil. Okay. So water is boiling now. This is my stock. So I'm going to add this to it. I'll also add the red oil. Fish. Cameroon pepper. This is okay. While this is boiling, I'm going to blend my cocoyam together with okay, at this point I'm going to blend my cocoyam. Then I'll add little water to help the blending process. You can see. Then I'll allow it to cook for like 3 minutes. Wow. It smells. At this point, I'm going to put my periwinkle, achara, my meat. I think I put it on. Wow. Oh, smells yummy. At this point, I'm going to put my noodles on. The flavor of OHA in ORA soup is something else. So I will allow it to simmer for like just a minute. I want you to know that subscription is free. If you like my video, subscribe for more videos. Like and share. Thank you. Finally, the OHA. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button so that you get notification anytime I uploaded a new video. Thank you.